Valentine's Day right around the corner, I'm doing a collaboration with Peytyn at Peytyn's Paradise to make red velvet themed desserts. Once you are finished watching this video, go check out Peytyn's channel at Peytyn's Paradise. She has fun baking and drink recipes, as well as hair, nail, and holiday videos. She also has a few travel and family vlogs and other channels she manages too. Peytyn is just an all-around sweet person. She is amazing at gymnastics and has been practicing since she was very young. And it definitely shows. My favorite are the entertaining videos like this one where she turned herself into a Christmas tree. Go check out the full video to see how she looked. Since I love mug cakes, I decided to do a red velvet mug cake with a single-sized portion of cream cheese frosting. The cream cheese frosting was the perfect amount for this small little treat. This red velvet mug cake is just enough to satisfy any sweet craving and is ready within a matter of minutes with hardly any cleanup. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a microwave-safe cup, add all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, cocoa powders, and salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly with a fork. Add milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, distilled white vinegar, and a drop or more of red gel food coloring. Mix all of the ingredients together with a fork, making sure to get the bottom and sides of the cup fully stirred into the mixture. If the batter isn't red enough, feel free to add more red gel food coloring. I will have the red gel food coloring I am using in the video description below. Microwave for 55 to 60 seconds. In a small bowl, add room temperature cream cheese, half of the confectioner's sugar, and the vanilla extract. Mix together with a fork until all of the powdered sugar is mixed in. And yes, I promise it does come together. Check out other mug cake recipes in my mug cake playlist in the link above or in the link in the video description below. Add the remaining confectioner sugar and mix until combined. Use a knife or a piping bag and top the red velvet mug cake with this cream cheese frosting. Make sure to check out Peytyn's channel to see the awesome red velvet cake pops she made. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.